Well, Sufis are mostly, they don't claim things, they don't bother. The worst thing in the social life is to look for projections, and Sufi is anti-projection. All the qualities which are known for a successful man are reverse qualities for a Sufi. So you will not find him in public and exhibiting himself. He's not an exhibitionist. He's not a narcissist. He doesn't have those sort of things which qualify him as a successful worldly man. So it's obvious that you will not find Sufi running on the roads or claiming things for himself, or you see exhibiting his exercise or modeling himself into yogas or lamas. You see, this is not Sufism. This is only concentrational arts. Yes.
No sound, please. Okay, we can continue.